Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Troy. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Troy, Ohio, this motel has rooms equipped with free Wi-Fi access. A cable TV comes standard in each room at Motel 6 Troy. Select rooms include a microwave and refrigerator. At Motel 6 Troy you will find a 24-hour reception. Other facilities offered include laundry services and a vending machine. The property offers free parking. Miami County Fairgrounds is 7 minutes drive from this motel. Guests will be 5 miles from Brukner Nature Center. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.